Ako di nagbabago ngayon at kay nawawala. Tingin ka lang sa aking mata, pagmamahal sa'yo di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo, tatnan ito lang.
So hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to Gardens Lookout, and then tell you later kung asa pa me after the Gardens Lookout, because it depends of the time. Okay, see you there. From Central Station, did you see that? Bus terminal, that one. So they have bus terminal. So from here to there, so dito tama na kayan guys. Sakay ta og 6 ana 6 na bus, 6 na bus number, and via Wong Nai Chonggap. Yan, Wong Nai Chonggap. Yes, Wong Nai Chonggap guys. So pag siya na ta dito ta, right? So munawag ta diri guys sa guys, diri munawag sa Wong Nai Chau Gap Road. So basta diri then Wong Nai Chau, my god, samo Wong Nai Chau Gap Road guys, kana Wong Nai Chau Gap Road. And Musaka, ha? Ay, Musaka dito guys. Ano? Nanakay vlog dire actually. Kumbaga to Twin Peak. So here, Wong Nai Chau. Then here. Then subayon ra pataas. Nara siya guys. Dire ni ang Violet Hill to Twin Peak kani. Then kami here because we're going to Gardens Lookout. So here, just go up straight and then here. Sa una kay gupahan kay kung yung nanang napag pero kay sakto lang. So this one, Wilson Trail. Honey, this is the starting point. So look, you're here. So guys, you are here. So we go here. You're the lookout, sorry. And then we try if makaya pa sa time dire Mount Parker. So see you there. Then let's go. Then look. So here, the time is The time is 9:55, and yeah, Gardens Lookout 1 kilometer. Seriously, naingon ani? Pag sure ba? But let's go. Osborne Memorial. Okay, let's go guys. So good na ang Calvary. Naana po bitaw. Hala. So it's just like that. Continue. We're here. Oh my God, Nara. Here. Oh nice. Servo. Tumawag butler. What to me later dito guys. Here. As of now, we're here in Gardens Lookout. Look, the Gardens Lookout is like this, guys. Look, wow. Bisa nakahaze siya, pero okay na rin. So mo ni ang Gardens Lookout guys. So this is it. Okay. Okay.
Guys, look, nindot kayo ang lugar. So, kami later dito sa Mount Parker, kana. So, anhaan naman na diha. 10 times rin ako sa So, guys, we're finished. We're done. And Jordan's love. That's how we go to Sumashan. So, there. Other mountain. So let's go. See you there. Go. Oh my god. Look. See guys. Oh. See? Oh, derecho. Derecho ta guys. Naay mga dalan paingon dito, pero kita diretso. Hello guys, good morning again. We're done in Sumashan. Igo rami nag-check-in guys, malabyan ra siya. So kana nga tower, kana diha. Na siya dito nga part, but wala na namo gyatuan kay ang amo lang nga maka-check-in mi sa Go Wild Pass. So amo ra gyud siyang gi-pass by. Amo ra siyang kanang giagian as long as naka-check-in mi. So inana lang siya guys, I just show you the view. It's just like that. So gikan mi dito katong dalan moto ang dalan paingon sa Jordan's Lookout, baba patungas diba na dai ni ang Sumashan diri nga part. So now we proceed to the Mount. We're going to Mount Parker guys. So kuan pa siya pang tulo 11:35 ikatulo na dayon mi ako man sa Sumashan Wilson Trail. So kani guys, muni ang Sumashan. So naka-check-in na mi dito pa lang mi sa dalan. So dili na namo siya adtuan dito ang trigonometric. Kay moadto pa mi sa Mount Butler. So let's go. We're going to the moon. Look tayo, here is the Mount Butler viewing point. See? Mount Butler. Date March 7, 2026. So, here. So, ato na muna dito. Ito. So, here. Yes. Oh, nani ang viewpoint sa Mount Butler. Here. Here. Mount Butler viewing point. Tora. So, makita ang Taitam Dam. Yes. Taitam Reservoir. So, gikan mi dito. Ito. Si Nana. Nana ka nice ang view. See. Hello guys, we're here at Mount Butler. There, Nara behind me, that's electric, and then behind, see that? Kanang tower, kana. So, ano na ang Mount Parker, ato na mo later. So, we're here. See? See that? Kanang dalan. Diha mi mo agi. Diha. And then paingon dito. Oh.
Ato bang dere?
Guys, see Jordan's Lookout, Hong Kong Trail, Typhoon Tao. So now guys, we're going to Mount Parker. Hello guys, good afternoon. The time is 12:12. So we're finished in Mount Butler. So now we're going down here to the Mount Parker over there. So that one is the Mount Parker. So muana mi diha later guys. So guys, hinahinay nami og lugsong paingon dito. So as of now, because it's 12 already, nangita nami og among kasilungan to eat lunch. Kay time to eat lunch because we need energy for the Mount Parker. Kay murag medyo layo-layo siya. Tapukon pa na mo siya og laing buntod. This is the pavilion. Okay. Oh, pavilion. Here, Quarry Bay. Oh, Quarry Bay, 1 hour na lang man. 3 kilometer. So, kung mag-exita, dirita. Then, dili mo saka lagi tas parker. Guys, we go to Mount Parker. So, here. From that pavilion. So, we go like that. Okay. So, let's go, guys! Guys, that's all. We're done and Mount Parker. So, there. Finish na kaming nag-check-in sa GoWild. Hindi na kami tumuloy dun sa yung circle kasi nga medyo malayo-layo pa. So, nag-check-in lang kami, guys. So, guys, that's all for today's video. We're done at Mount Parker there. So now we're going to Quarry Bay. Quarry Bay? Yes, we're going to Quarry Bay, Mount Parker Road. So subayo na muna siyang road. So that's all for today's video, guys. We check in and go wild pass at 4 peak in one day. So it's so early, guys. It's just 2:15. And we're done. So that's all for today's video, and thank you for always watching. See you next time. Bye.